Hello, and welcome to this lesson on the taskbar. The taskbar is an element of the operating system located at the bottom of the screen by default. The taskbar shows you the date and time, your network settings, whether you're connected or not. This icon shows that I am connected via Ethernet. But if you were connected via Wi-Fi, you would see the Wi-Fi signal. The speaker icon is where you can adjust the volume of sound coming from your computer. The taskbar also provides access to the notifications area. The notifications area, sometimes referred to as the system tray, can be accessed via the triangle located on the taskbar. This will give you information or notifications about programs running on your computer, as well as the ability to close the program or open a window to interact with the program by left-clicking it. And that concludes our discussion for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.